In 2025, solar-powered security cameras are quickly becoming the go-to choice for homeowners who want an eco-friendly and dependable way to protect their property. By harnessing the power of the sun, these cameras eliminate the need for traditional wiring while offering advanced features like motion detection, two-way audio, and high-definition video. Thanks to improvements in solar efficiency and smart home integration, these cameras keep you connected and secure, even in remote areas or during power outages. Today, we're looking at 5 of the best solar-powered security cameras in 2025, each delivering cutting-edge performance to keep your home safe. Number 1. Swan Max Ranger 4K. The Swan Max Ranger 4K is a high-end outdoor camera system featuring Sony Starvis 4K sensors, delivering ultra-clear video even in low light. With a 100-foot viewing range and a 105 degrees field of view, it offers complete coverage day or night. Built-in solar panels make it 100% wire-free, so you can place cameras wherever you need them most. Using 900 MHz Wi-Fi technology, it offers up to 20 times the coverage of standard Wi-Fi, allowing placement 650 to 2,000 feet from the hub. Ideal for large properties. A 12,600 mAh rechargeable battery keeps it running, and an integrated backup battery allows up to 5 hours of recording during outages. Rated IP66 weatherproof, it's built for year-round durability. The included hub has 64 gigabytes of local storage, plus cloud backup with no ongoing fees. Priced at $699.99 for a 2-camera kit, it also supports two-way audio for communicating with visitors or deterring intruders. Number 2. Baseus S1 Pro. The Baseus S1 Pro sets itself apart with the world's first sun-powered tracking system, allowing its solar panel to rotate 40 degrees left and right for maximum exposure, capturing up to 100% more solar energy than fixed panels. This ensures uninterrupted, year-round operation. Equipped with dual 3K cameras and 8x zoom, it delivers crisp, dual-view surveillance. Its Neuron X AI technology enhances motion tracking and detection, while TUV-certified military-grade encryption keeps your data secure. It comes with 16 gigabytes built-in storage, expandable up to 16 terabytes for long-term retention. Easy to install and weather-resistant, it works with voice assistance and supports two-way audio. Priced at $429.99 for a 2-camera kit, it's a premium, energy-efficient choice. Number 3. Eufy SoloCam S340. The Eufy SoloCam S340 is all about coverage and detail, offering dual cameras with 3K resolution and up to 8x zoom. It can monitor up to 50 feet away, and its 360 degrees pan and tilt design ensures there are no blind spots. Powered by a removable solar panel, it runs continuously with minimal upkeep. The dual view mode lets you monitor a wide area while focusing on critical details. Local storage means no monthly fees, and setup takes just minutes thanks to its compact, wire-free design. Smart integrations with Alexa and Google Assistant add convenience. And at $199.99, it's a strong balance of affordability and advanced features. Number 4. Aosu SolarCam D1 Max. The Aosu SolarCam D1 Max offers 360 degrees full coverage with a 3K 5MP Ultra HD lens for crystal clear video. Just 3 hours of sunlight powers it for an entire day. Its enhanced AI detection identifies people, vehicles, and pets without requiring a subscription. It can also monitor parked cars and send instant alerts for specific zones. Motion tracking automatically pans and tilts to follow movement, while motion zones and two-way talk provide extra customization and control. With Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, it's a smart addition to any home. At $129.99, it's a budget-friendly option loaded with premium features. Number 5. Tapo C425 Kit. The Tapo C425 Kit is a compact, yet capable solar-powered camera. Just 45 minutes of sunlight keeps it powered all day, and its 10,000 mAh battery can last up to 300 days on a single charge. For night surveillance, it offers color night vision with built-in spotlights and a starlight sensor. Its 2K Quad HD resolution ensures sharp details, while AI detection filters out false alerts by distinguishing people, pets, and vehicles. Rated IP66 weatherproof, it's built for all conditions. With local storage up to 512 gigabytes and optional cloud backup, it offers flexible recording options. At $89.99, it's the best value pick for reliable solar-powered security